Well, I'm an innovation facilitator in Italy, so I have to be always in charge of find a new solution to help people and especially companies to find new markets, new solutions and new products. So this workshop is incredibly useful to design your roadmap.
Well, I decided because I know that new knowledge is very important. I graduated in marketing, and before ministry I worked in companies, in marketing departments, and from there I also know user experience is very important. So all the knowledge about it is very, very good.
Well, we are of course the lead partner of the DesAlps project, so we are here because we are really interested in design thinking methodology, and of course any occasion with the expert like this, it's useful to improve our knowledge and to improve also the networking experience that we have in this kind of project.
Well, actually we are in the brainstorming session, so a lot of ideas, and I'm very keen on finding which idea will be developed. So I'm very pleased to work in a team because together we achieve more.
Oh, it's very good. It's really, how to say, hands-on. We started immediately with concrete work on a case. And I think also the ladies who moderate and coach us are very good, and their methods are really very well.
I like it very much, especially because we could have an insight of every step of the methodology. So after every step we had an explanation on on why we did that and the use that we can do of the information we gather. So I think that it's a really good in-depth on this methodology. Since we have then to work on the companies, now we are improving our knowledge, and it's very important to be very aware of every step of the methodology.
Well, for me it's important to use diverge phase plus converge phase. So ideation is nice, but you have to put in practice. So let's go to business.
I think that especially the part in which we understand that the anagraphic of our users is not enough is extremely important, because we know that we have to interview our customers, but we have to interview them very well and to understand their behavior, and that will be the key part, I think. So it's important to gather a lot of information, but also quality information on them.
So I will definitely try to push more, even more, as I do already, the importance of skills, so new knowledge that we need. Ministry is a bit different than a company, but still we see that we are not skilled enough. Our job is, just work, and no time for learning, no time to change the square wheel to a round wheel, for example. So yes, and I'm also in charge of a project that's called Competence Center for Design Management. And all the knowledge that I get today is also very useful for working on that project.